Baby. Are you eating? Can you say eat? Eat? Yeah, that's the sign for eat. Good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are we gonna do now? Where did it go? Where did it go? Down there. Yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh. What sound does a monkey make? What sound does a snake make? What sound does a fish make? Pop, 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 pop. What sound does a coyote make? Oh. What sound does an owl make? Hoo, hoo. Your coyote and your owl kind of sound similar. Ah-ooh, what's that? How about a cat? What sound does a cat make? Meow. Can you say meow?
Meow.
Meow, meow. How about a dog? Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Good job. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say I love you?
Okay.
I don't know if that was I love you or not. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Mwah.
Hi.
Hi, who are you? There's a good kiss. Thank you. Mwah.